Hello, this is going to be the first episode, and in this one, what I've already done is I've taken CAN logs. This is important. If no one's done the vehicle that you're doing before, if you don't have CAN logs, you can't fake sort of the engine signals or the messages that the engine sends out. So you need to take logs of that first, and then the bit that I hate the most and find difficult is getting out the engine. So that's what you'll be seeing some very bad footage of in this episode. So hopefully from here on in, the filming will get a little better, but we shall see. Yeah, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and comment down below. Let's get into it. So that's the DME, the ECU, and it's just an ESP32 with a CAN transceiver attached to CAN high and CAN low. I'm just going to get some CAN logs. So this is Savvy CAN, and just going to add the connection to the ESP32. It's connected to my network, so that's that. There we go. So I put the key in, and we should get some CAN messages. We are not getting any CAN messages. Oh, there we go. We are getting CAN messages, sorry. So I'm just going to start the engine. Right, so it's not in gear. No idea what that beeping means, but there we go. It's going to clear the frames, put it into reverse. And I'll just save that as reverse. Save log file. Reverse gear. See, car's up in the air now. And jack stands. Start draining some fluids. End of day one report. Under tray off. Alternator off. Coolant bottle off. Air conditioning compressor loose. I haven't had someone around to empty that yet, so I've just pulled it from the engine, and we'll take the engine out without that for now. Fluids are drained, and I've disconnected some of the wiring. Put that in there. A bit more wiring to disconnect, and then undo the bell housing bolts. Power steering needs to come off, and then hopefully that's coming out. Right, the next day. Let's go underneath and have a look-see. So all the Guibo bolts for the drive shaft are off. I just checked one of the rear wheels up so that I could rotate this to get to each one. That mounts off. It's supported with a jack. Let's set that exhaust hanger off. Clutch. Slave. I think that's everything back here. Just about to pull my knob off. Because in its place is going to go an automatic shifter, and I've disconnected it all below, so it should, in theory, just maybe I'm not about to. Let's get my hand in the hole. Holding that one. Maybe it needs to go down. Push it through. No need to be gentle, just ram it through there. There we go. There we go. What's that stuck on? I guess that'll fall out when the transmission comes out. Bit wiggling. Bit wiggling. Yeah, I'm going to call that out. That's out. That's near enough out, isn't it?
Yeah, but this is a tricky bit, isn't it?
Right, the engine's out. So I'm going to be taking that off. I want to use that. Take some of the wiring off. Just to have all the wiring and connectors just in case. And I think oil cooler somewhere, I'll be having that. I know it. And then take that off. This is the space we've got to work with. Obviously the AC stuff still hasn't been discharged yet, they haven't been again. But give that a good clean out and start filling it up. I think I'll leave it there.